Do you want to lighten your skin? Do you want to brighten your skin, or do you want to glow your skin, but you don't want to use body lotion, or you don't even like body lotion? Come closer, because I have something specifically for you. Okay? So some people reach out to me on my comment section, on my DM, telling me that they want to lighten their skin, they want to brighten their skin, but they don't want to use body lotion. You guys requested and I answered. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to lighten your skin with body wash, soap, and body oil without using body lotion. If this is something you're interested in, sit down and watch this video to the end. So in skincare, I always tell you guys that you have to practice morning routine, night routine, day of exfoliation and deep cleansing, and you also need to protect your skin. Then the fifth one, you need to have days for breaks. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you a method that I know will work for you if you don't want to use body lotion, or if you don't like body lotion, or if body lotion makes you sweat, then this is for you. So the product we're going to be using in this video, you need to get your Koji soap, you're going to get your Jova soap, you're going to get your Ashanti papaya soap. Please, if you have extract, you can also use it. If you have K-Brother, you can also use it. Okay, a lot of you ask me, oh, should I use extract? How is extract? Extract is also good, but just make sure you're buying the original of any of the products you're using. Any skincare product you're using, make sure you're getting original of it. Okay, but if you're looking for where to get, you can reach out to me on my DM, on my Instagram, on my WhatsApp number that will be put in the description box. Okay, so you'll be needing the Ashanti papaya and honey soap, or you can also get the Ashanti carrot and honey soap. Any of it is fine, or Ashanti exfoliating bar soap is fine too. Any brightening body soap will do the work. So the next thing, you're going to be getting your body scrub. This is the Ashanti turmeric and ginger salt scrub. You can get this, you can get any scrub, you can get a sugar scrub, you can get a salt scrub, anyone at all will do the job. So the next thing you're going to get is, you're going to get your lightening body wash or your shower gel. You can use the one from Bismeed. I made a video about lightening shower gel. I'll link the video up here. You click it and watch. The one I'll be using for illustration in this video is going to be this SK Touches L-Glutathione shower gel. So you're going to get a lightening shower gel. This is what you're going to do. So you know that we have 7 days in a week, right? So you're going to do this method. You're going to use it like for, let me just say, 4 to 5 times in a week. Then the rest, you're going to do like more of moisturization. Am I understood? Yeah, that's what you're going to do to get effectiveness of this particular method. So I'll be teaching you guys 2 methods, which is the exfoliating method and the brightening method. So, and we also call it double cleansing, right? Yeah. So the first thing you're going to do is the days of the brightening, which can be in the morning, which can be in the night. These ones are just normal method, which is the brightening method. So the first way you're going to use to lighten your skin is, you're going to use your Ashanti papaya and honey soap. You're going to use it to cleanse your skin. After cleansing your skin, right, when you cleanse with this, to remove all the dirt and the oil buildup that you had throughout the day, or in the morning, like more like to cleanse your skin from any dirt, any oil buildup, or anything at all, any impurities. Okay, you're going to use this Ashanti papaya and honey soap and wash your skin and cleanse your skin. Then when you're done with this, you rinse it off. Then you go in with your lightening shower gel. You use the lightening shower gel to deep cleanse your skin. Okay, you use this lightening shower gel and apply on your skin. You just leave it for like, maybe just say for some seconds, maybe you just, then you wash it off. This is what you're going to use. This is the brightening method. This is what you're going to do. When you finish doing this, then you come out of the shower. When your body is damp, please go in with a very good lightening body oil. If you can use the CeraVe body oil, you can use the White Now body oil. All the pictures will be on the screen. You can also use this Vidgold half caste body oil. You can use this, any lightening body oil that is not too harsh, that is mild. Use it on your skin. Okay, that's what you're going to use. You can use the White Now, you can use the CeraVe. I made a video about lightening body oil. I'll link the video up. Please click it and watch, and know the body oil that will be perfect for your skin, okay, that you want, or the one that you like. I made a detailed video about it and I explained each of them in detail, so just click the video and watch it. Okay, so you're going to get the oil and apply all over your skin. Apply it generously on your skin, apply it everywhere, then you go. That's what you're going to be using for the brightening method. Then after this method, then we're going to be doing the one that we'll call the exfoliating method, right? The exfoliating method, this one you will not do it every day, you do it like 3 times in a week. So this particular method, you're going to use your Dove bar soap, this pink one. We're going to use it to cleanse your skin. Okay, please do this particular method I'm going to share with you in the night, in the evening. Don't do it in the morning. This first method I told you, which is brightening, you can do that in the morning, then go in with your sunscreen. Please always apply your sunscreen on your skin. Then this second method, which is the exfoliating method, you're going to use your Dove bar soap and you're going to use it to cleanse your skin. When you finish cleansing your skin with the Dove bar soap, then you go in with the Koji San soap and use it to deep cleanse your skin. You use this first and use this first. You can also interchange them like this. You use this and cleanse your skin, deep cleanse your skin. After you finish washing off your skin with the Koji San soap, you rinse it off. You use this, you rinse it off. You use this, you rinse it off. Okay, then you go in with your scrub. Make sure you buy a scrub that contains active in it, maybe like vitamin C that contains AHA, or scrub that contains kojic acid. The one that contains turmeric is also good. Any scrub that you know that a brightening body scrub, that's the kind of scrub you're going to use. You use this scrub and scrub your skin. You scrub your skin in a circular motion. After scrubbing your skin, you leave the scrub for some minutes on your body, then you wash it off. Then when you're done scrubbing, then when you come out of the bathroom, you go in with your lightening body oil. This is the one I'm using. This is the one I'm using currently. This is the Vidgold half caste oil. You can use this. You can also use turmeric oil, right? But turmeric oil is most likely to brighten. It doesn't lighten. Yeah, it just brighten and glow your skin. This is good. The Tara V is good too. The glow oil, I made a video about oil. Please check that video. Okay, get a very good lightening oil like the whitener oil. Apply it on your skin. Apply it generously on your skin. Possibly get an oil that is lightweight and apply it on your skin. When you finish applying this, then you go to sleep. These are the things you're going to use for your body for the exfoliating method. For this exfoliating method, you're going to just do it 3 times in a week. Then this brightening method, you're going to do it like 4 times in a week, or maybe like 5 times in a week. Yeah, then the remaining 2 times in a week, maybe you bring out a day that is convenient for you, maybe on Sunday, maybe Wednesday. You just do more of the moisturizing, which is you just get a mild moisturizing body oil and you go in with your Ashanti papaya soap. After cleansing your skin with the Ashanti papaya soap, then when you come out, you just use your moisturizing body oil. You can use the Dazan vitamin C oil, you can use the Vidgo turmeric oil, you can use the Vidgo's vitamin C oil, you can use the Dazan vitamin C oil, the small one. Anyone at all, just moisturize your skin. Or you can even use this normal moisturizing body oil, which is maybe the Vaseline oil. You can use the Palmer's oil, anyone, just for moisturization. You just moisturize your skin. You can moisturize throughout the day. You can use the same method in the morning and also use it at night. That's what you're going to do to moisturize your skin, and you will get effective results. If you're among those that don't like body lotion, please, this method, try it and give me feedback. Okay, let's recap what I said. I said we have 7 days in a week, right? 2 days will be for only moisturization, which you're going to use your Ashanti papaya soap with your moisturizing oil on your skin. You can be on Sunday, you can be on Wednesday, 2 days. Then 3 days in a week, which can be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. You use it and you use the exfoliating method, which is this, and this. Okay, that's what you're going to use for the exfoliating method, right? This Koji-san, this, you're going to use it for to exfoliate your skin, right, with the oil, with the body oil. These are the things you're going to use for the 3 times in a week. This you're going to use, right? And use a very good lightening oil which can be the Vit, the Tara Vit oil, it can be the whitener oil, and it can be the bio nature oil, it can be the soft 7 turmeric oil, any oil at all, the lightening oil. This is what you're going to use down, right? Then the remaining days we are going to be using this is more like what you'll be using almost every day, right? This is what you're going to use: the Ashanti papaya, and you use the lightening shower gel on your skin. Then when you come out, you're going to use oil on your skin. And these things are what you're going to be doing. You lighten your skin and you get effective results. Okay, so guys, have you gotten to this point? If you have, please do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. So guys, have you used any of this method which I've shared in this video? If you have, please do well to comment down below. And if you have any method that is working for you, that you know that you use without applying your lotion, please do well to comment down below. I'll be in the comment section. Okay, I'll make sure I respond to all your messages. All right, so if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Okay, and if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.